Hello and welcome to the video. Thank you for joining me once again. This is the LG found a couple of weeks ago. It was frozen. We had to wait for it to thaw out. So let's just have a look. I can tell something has been on the back here. These are a bit raised. So it has been on a wall bracket. It's kind of heavy actually for a little one. LG 26LC55. Two HDMI's on the back, two SCART ports, not that they're used much these days, one antenna, and we have the kettle plug connector, no stand. So we'll turn this around and plug a lead in. Okay, we are plugged in. I mean, it doesn't actually look in bad condition, but you know, we'll soon see. Let's turn it on. Okay, I've got a red light. Is it flashed in? No. Okay, hold on. Buttons are here. I have no idea, so give me on off button. Okay. Let's hold it. There we go. Hold it. Hold it. It's flashing green. Oh, here we go. Oh, and there we go. Hang on. That looks okay. Obviously, it's not great, but right. TV. DTV. So there's all our. Not programmed. Obviously, it's not programmed. So I've done absolutely nothing to the telly. I just let it sit there for 2 weeks. Volume up. Yep, volume up. Volume down. Okay. Maybe I should just plug it in the next room and see if we get a signal. Okay, aerial's in. As you can see, let's just put this up here. Plug her in. Red light flashing green. Not programmed. Okay. Let me see if I can tune this in. Okay, I just got it on its side so I could get to the buttons, and all I did, menu. Okay. Really easy to sort through actually. So we've got auto tune in here. Like I said, my aerial's plugged in the back, so hopefully we're all right. I don't know. We'll find out in a second. Right. Excuse me. Hold on.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
Construction man, Bradley.
Let's turn it down.
Bikes are called cafe racers. That's the style of the bike, and what I want to put forward is the name for this bike.
Okay, we got a small screen with no problems, which is great, I suppose. You know, I can just set it like that if I wanted, I suppose. Let's have a look here. Two 109 it found, plus 66 other, I assume, radio stations. Okay. So, well, that's clearly working. I'm going to see if I can find that remote, and we'll get that on. Hold on. Okay, Got the remote that I bought the other day, or a few weeks ago now. Oh, volume works, look. Okay, channel. Okay. Oh, input. There we go. Yep, look at that. It's going for all of them. Ah, okay. Let's try a high number. Was it 1, 3, 0? No. Okay, just go 100. Okay. That's a free repair. I don't watch TV often, so I don't know all the channels. BBC, CBBC. No longer at this time, probably. Come on. Pop. Ah, there you go. Pop's on. It's 9:05. Okay. Pop player. Okay, loading text. Ketchup TV. Ketchup 2. Never heard of that one. Yaz. BBC News. And yeah. Okay, so volume, input, power off, power on, or button, or whatever. Well, I'd say that's good enough. Mute. Yep, mute. Settings. Oh, look at that. See that? Picture. What is XD? XD demo. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with it because, you know, it's working. Screen. Looks good, doesn't it? I don't have to do anything to that apart from clean it. So, return. Yep, return works. And that's it then. I'll clean it. Oh, let's plug in the PlayStation. Hold on. Okay, after closer inspection. Oh, I thought it was USB. No, it is HDMI. Yeah. Oh, they're just really dusty. I thought one was a USB, one was HDMI. Okay, give me a second. Why does that say eject there? Don't know. I don't know. Let's give them a little blowout. They're dusty as hell. Okay. Okay, let's I think I've got it in HDMI slot 1, so the first thing we'll do is change it. No, wrong button, hold on. Okay. Turn PlayStation on. No signal, hold on. Now, to be totally fair, it could be this wire. No signal so far. Okay, might be the wire. Like I said, I'm gonna have to take this right out of my other telly. Hold on. Okay, this wire definitely works because it goes to my current PlayStation. I am on the HDMI. Oh, there we go, look at that. So the HDMI 2 slot is working. I'm going to change it to HDMI slot 1 now. Okay, let's just do the input through here. HDMI slot 1. We'll go down on its own. And bang. Okay, we got a small working TV that was just thrown out because it's dirty. I mean, maybe there was some sort of dirt. The frost and wet weather cleaned it up a little bit. Well, it's too small for me to keep. But they could have, if this was working when they threw it out, they could have given this to someone. Even on Facebook, you just message free TV available for someone in need. But they threw it out, risked the fine for fly tipping. I mean, I suppose we were lucky to pick it up. Yeah. So, I'm going to see if my mum wants this on her dining room wall. It's only a small bit will do. You get a little free view Roku TV or whatever they called it, or Amazon TV or whatever, one of them Fire Sticks, and you won't need an aerial. And well, I just don't know what to say, you know. I'll clean it up a bit and that'll be it. Thanks for joining me. I'm sorry this video was late and I didn't bring you one last weekend. I do plan to bring you one on this weekend. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you everyone who subscribed to my channel over Christmas, and I had another one recently. And if you're a small creator and you do subscribe to my channel, I will subscribe to yours. If I click on it and I see you got videos, I'll subscribe on yours, no problem. Okay, so thank you, like, share, subscribe.